first order of the day. We've got a McDonald's. This one is $10 going 6.5 miles. Ooh, this place is packed already. Hopefully this doesn't take too long.
Welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
Yeah, the line is pretty much backed up to the speakers. So I'd say we're probably 5th, maybe 6th in line.
There you go. You have a great day.
Thank you, too. Okay, they were removing that line pretty quickly, so not too bad. Next up, we've got a stack going to the same person. We've got Black Rock Coffee and McDonald's, $7 going like 3.5 miles. Thank you.
All right, have a great day.
You too. Yeah, this is one of those times where I wish this was on earn by time, because this is kind of taking forever. Well, at least there's no line in the drive-thru here.
Hey, welcome to McDonald's. You gonna be using the mobile app today?
I just had a DoorDash for $9.70.
You have to pick it up inside. It's open.
All right. Apparently it's open, even though it's not supposed to be for another 30 minutes. I guess that changed. $9.70. Yep.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. My favorite part about that was how it wasn't even ready, and it would have been ready by the time I got to the pickup window, but whatever. There's that.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Next up, ooh, this one is high mileage. I might unassign this if I get a better order on a different app, but for now, this is a Voodoo Donut, $16 and change going 9 miles. Thank you.
Have a great one.
You as well. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Albertsons. This is $10 going 4 miles, 8 items.
Oh no, I'm traveling this road.
Welcome. Scan. Please remember.
Well, that took longer than I wanted it to. That was like all chocolate, but some of them were in the checkout stands and it was telling me it was in the aisle, so that kind of wasted some time. Oh my goodness. And then this person lives literally in the middle of nowhere with no instructions on how to find their house. The GPS is not working because I've got no service. This is really fun. I'm glad I took this order. Oh, why am I not surprised? That was all base pay. That's amazing. Next up, we've got a Chick-fil-A. This one is $6 going 2.5 miles. Thank you. Oh, I'm just waiting for an order.
I have that DoorDash for you.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Next order came in right away. I don't usually take these, but it is a Napa Auto Parts pickup. This is $9 going 3 miles. Hopefully, whatever it is, fits in my car.
How you doing today?
Hello. I had a DoorDash pickup. Thank you.
Yep.
Hello. I just had a drop off. Yep.
Take your picture.
I got this order right away. It is a Black Rock Coffee, $6 plus, which means they're hiding a tip on me. Who knows how much, but it's gonna be more than $6 apparently. I think it said it was going like a mile, maybe a mile and a half. Hi, I had a pickup for Danielle. Thank you. Total for that order was $7 and change. Okay, that was really good actually. Next order up is a Starbucks. This one is $6 and change, going about 3 miles. Thank you. Going right back to Starbucks for this one. This one is $7, going 3 miles. Yeah. Thank you. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $11, going 2 miles, 6 items. And they're all out. Oh, that's just great. Well, this customer is annoying. So they didn't have the specific type of sourdough bread that they wanted, and I told them that. And I asked them if they wanted a different brand of sourdough. And what do they reply with? Same brand. They have other types of bread. They don't. Let's go home. Current time is 9:49. Current total, we are at 74. And I think we're waiting on 2 Uber tips. That most recent one being that shop and deliver, so that one's gonna be a little iffy. I'm not really sure what the total is gonna end up being, but I'll throw it up on the screen once it comes in. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.